In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Meet camera not working. If your camera shows a black screen, a crossed out icon, or just won't turn on during a call, follow along and we'll get you up and running. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Google Meet. You can also type the address directly to make things quicker. When the results appear, click the official Google Meet link. You want to land on the secure meet.google.com page, not a third-party site. Check the address bar to confirm it starts with HTTPS and clearly shows meet.google.com so you know you're in the right place. Once you're on Google Meet, sign into your Google account. If you're already signed in, make sure it's the account you plan to use for the meeting. As the page loads, your browser may prompt you to allow access to the camera and microphone. Choose Allow so Meet can use your hardware. If you accidentally blocked it earlier, don't worry. We'll fix that next. Look at the address bar and click the small lock or site information icon next to the URL. This opens your site permissions. Find Camera and set it to Allow or toggle it on. If you see multiple camera options, select the correct device, especially if you have both a built-in webcam and an external one. After changing the permission, refresh the page so the new setting takes effect. A quick tip: make sure the camera's physical shutter, if your device has one, isn't closed, and close other apps that might be using the camera in the background so Meet can access it. If you're still not seeing video, try opening Google Meet in an incognito or private window. In this mode, extensions are typically disabled by default. Go to meet.google.com again, sign in, and test your camera. If it works here, that's a strong sign a browser extension is interfering with camera access. Think about any privacy, security, or ad blocking extensions you've installed and adjust their settings for Google Meet, or temporarily turn off the one causing the issue so Meet can use your camera normally. After you've made these changes, return to your regular browser window and recheck your preview in Google Meet. You should now see your camera feed and a normal unblocked camera icon. Keeping your browser up to date and repeating the permission check if needed will help prevent this from happening again. You're all set for your next call.